In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refer a friend to Uber. If you want to share the convenience of Uber and potentially earn rewards for both you and your friend, this guide will walk you through everything you need to do inside the app, step by step. Start by opening the Uber app on your phone. From the home screen, tap the Account tab. In that menu, look for an option labeled Invite Friends, Referral Program, or Earn Rewards. The exact wording and placement can vary depending on your country and app version, so take a moment to explore the account area if you don't see it right away. Once you're in the referral section, you'll typically see a short description of the current promotion, any eligibility details, and what rewards might be available. Next, you'll find two ways to invite someone: a unique referral code and a personal invite link. The code is something your friend can type in during sign-up, while the link is the easiest option because it usually applies the referral automatically when they create an account. Tap to copy the code or link and share it in whatever way works best for you. Common choices include sending it through Messenger, SMS, email, Facebook, a TikTok bio, or WhatsApp. When you share, it helps to include a quick note explaining that the invite comes from Uber and that the reward is unlocked when your friend signs up and completes the required first ride or order. Keep in mind the specifics of the reward, like the amount and timing, can change based on your location and current promotions. After you've sent your invite, you can keep an eye on your progress right inside the referral section. Return to the same place in the account menu to view pending invites, completed referrals, and any ride credits or cash bonuses you've earned. If you see a pending status, it usually means your friend hasn't finished the required first trip or order yet. Once they do, the status should update and the reward will appear according to the timeline shown in the app. Because promotions vary, always refer to the details on that screen for the most accurate and up-to-date information. That's all there is to it. Open Uber and head to the referral area, share your unique code or link through your favorite channels, and then track your invites and rewards right in the app. Follow these steps and you'll be set to refer friends confidently and make the most of Uber's referral program.